guys, we're going to give you a quick video on how I did this bling. We're going to put the bling around here, and I glued the cups from the Dollar Tree. I glued them together, and then we did a spray paint. So now I'm going to put the diamond bling around here. Okay. So what you do is you just cut your diamond bling. I like to cut the edges off so it can be smoother. So get as close to it as you can and get those other little frills off, because you know, sometimes you can get away with it, and then sometimes you just want it to look very smooth. So you take that off, and then you just go in as close as you can to the little diamond blings without cutting them, because if you cut them, that wouldn't be good. All right, so at that point, trim off any edges at the top. Okay, set that aside. And then here you have the little piece in the back. Take that off. Sometimes I measure and I count the tops, but at this point I'm not going to. But it's so simple. And sometimes I also reinforce it with an adhesive or just a dab of hot glue. And therefore, because sometimes they do fall off. Ooh, I cut that just perfect. Look at that. Ooh. Now, understanding that this is not for a candle because it is plastic, this is only for the tea lights, okay? So these are only for the tea lights, not candles. So, again, you just go in as close as you want. I do switch ends because you want it to be even on both sides. So you just trim it again. Take off the excess. Yep, get away. Get. Okay. Then you just go trimming. Now I don't mind trimming off more than what I need, and you can just always measure it ahead of time. So just cut. And at this point, before you take off the other layer, you just measure, and you can get, you know, a feel of how much you're going to need if you need to cut it off. So this seems like it's going to be the same. So again, you take off the back piece, and you could put some at the top there, at the bottom, in the middle. I'm probably going to put some glitter on it, but I don't know yet. But there's countless ways you could do it. These are for a couple of my coworkers, and that I'm going to embellish it also. Oh, look at that. You see? Now we need about 3 more, and you can take it, and then you can just measure. See? We need 3 more. Let me take it from this end here. We cut that little piece off. And then I round it at the top there, and then I go down. But you could do it however you would like to do it. It's so simple. It's so easy. Simple, easy crafts. Okay, and so we take that. And the good thing about these diamond blings, you can like squish them together to make them fit. It's like once you get it in there, and it's like if it doesn't fit perfectly, just squish it together, and there you have it. Not even 2 seconds. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And there you have it. Yay! Bling, bling. And these are for the candle. I'm sorry, these are for the tea lights. And I also got them at the Dollar Tree, so hit or miss. But they really illuminate when you have them at night. Now I was also playing around with it, and you can also put a nice little flower at the top, and then it will, you know, glow at night. So it just depends on how you want to do it. Alrighty, that's just an idea. You do that. You see how it just gives it a little bit of simple elegance. Or you can put the flower around it. Just be very careful with this wiring because it will sometimes scratch your paint. And you can do that as well, but I would just embellish that, take off the leaves, and then you will have a simple design as well. Okay, so that's just some ideas for you. I also did this as well. So I put the same type of diamond bling at the top. Here, I just spray painted this. Okay. And also you just put the diamond bling, and then you just follow that, you just count, and you just do the lines here. I put it in the middle. I put it around. You can just embellish it however you want. Isn't that just simple? It's simple, it's easy, and it's craft. And see how this one, just wonderful. And you can just embellish it any way that you like. Let me know if you have any questions, comment below, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.